if you want to change the style of the hamburger icon on your Squarespace website on the mobile version, then it's really, really simple to do. And I'm going to show you how to do it now. So in our site here, we want to first off click on the mobile view icon. And that's going to show us the default hamburger menu, which is the 2 lines here. So let's click into edit. We'll go up into the header, so edit site header. And if we double click on the menu, you'll see we've got these different icons. So we've got 2 bars, 3, and then we've got this sort of 2.5 lines here, followed by a plus, and then the thickness. So small, medium, large, or if you click the dots, you can actually go all the way up to 5px. I wonder if you can go thicker. No, we're capped at 5px. I reckon about 2 is the sweet spot. And then usually I'll go for this one here. If you go to the By Crawford site, I'm pretty sure that's the one we use. But essentially, if you want to make it thicker or slimmer, then you can do that. I think 1 actually works there. That's fine. Choose your icon and you are good to go. Now, tons of people ask me about this all the time, and it's honestly so simple. They think, maybe it's code, but it's honestly not. It's just going onto the mobile version of the site, clicking on the burger menu and changing it. Simple as that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.